Hey there, I would like to show a demo of a tool called Nuke Card Machine. And the tool itself, it's for placing cards, but you can paint the position in screen space and the tool will convert it into world space based on your CG. So let's say I have some poor man's environment here, just this animation, and I would like to play some cards. So the tool is set up to using a roller paint. So I'm just using some brushes and can define per stroke one card. So let's say I want to have one here, 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 as a layout. And later in time, I think it would be cool to have some more cards in here. And perhaps at the end, some more in here, just for the sake of it. So afterwards, you would run the tool, card machine, and you have to set the actual position path from the CG. In this case I call it world position, and you can choose between different geometries. In this case it's an axis, a card, or a card 3D. When using card, the card will be zeroed and have no values, and all the transformation will be used as a transform geo, so we can still use the look at function. So let's say I want to have, in this case I want to have some axis, and hit OK. So I have a bunch of axes in here, and let's bring it into a scene, check them out, doesn't look bad, and let's compare it against the actual geometry. If I bring those together, it certainly looks alright. So got it on the first ridge in here, on the second ridge, and the last draft is in here. So actually pretty convenient to just lay out your cards first, so we can have a visual feedback where you might having cards or where you're not. So let's say I have a more denser approach, not so spread out. So I have in here, and just say I want to have a lot of cards in here, depending on the atmospherics or sparks, whatever you fancy. And then let's say I want to have this time, I want to have some cards, and let's say default scale should be set already to 50, otherwise it would be quite small in this kind of environment. So hit OK, and you see, so we get a bunch of cards. Oh, there's one left, and so you can use the actual look at function properly without having to trouble about or to care about the pivot of the cards. So now you have those cards set in here. Let's check it one more time if these are actually fitting, and they are all in this place. So this allows you to place cards fairly fast and have a visual layout where you might have like a cluster of certain elements, or where you would like to add them later on. I mean, of course you have to add textures and all these things, but for fast positioning might be coming handy, this kind of things. Cool, thank you.